Dotted.
Okay, so this is a Stover K 2-horse 1938, and it's the latest addition to our family. So let's see if we can get her started. We're going to close up that little damper there, hit that, let me pull her through a couple times. That's all I need. Let me open that back up. Alright, big test here, let's see what happens. Come around to compression. Alright, why didn't you start, little booger? How's that? Now pay particular attention to the gas tank. It's an early honey jar. We've got a new one coming. Doesn't she so good?
She sure does, Dave.
Yeah. We'll walk around it a little bit.